Ukraine is quietly using its Mi-24 flying tank helicopters to batter Russian forces in the Donetsk region. Ukrainian Mi-24 helicopter opens fire during an exercise near the city of Doneksh. Russian Mi-24 attack helicopters have been active during the war in Ukraine. Ukraine's own fleet of Mi-24s appears to still be operational despite Russia's air defenses and jet fighters. Footage shows Ukrainian Mi-24s in combat, even though Kyiv is keeping quiet about its Hinds. In this, a video shows the Mi-24 attack helicopter overflying southwestern Ukraine. Ukraine Mi-24 and similar Mi-35 Hinds have certainly been active in the war, with at least 6 confirmed lost. The new video suggests something quite different. Ukraine's own fleet of these Soviet flying tanks was still operational despite the seemingly overwhelming threat posed by Russia's ground-based air defense missiles and jet fighters. Indeed, while Kyiv is uncharacteristically tight-lipped about Hind operations, video recordings show Ukrainian Mi-24 actions in the Battle of Donetsk counter-offensive in harsh winter bombarded to Russian positions despite Russia's strong defense line and an audacious raid on Russian-occupied soil and elsewhere. It looks at the Hind's eventful history in Ukraine, the unique Ukrainian Mi-24 Pu-1 model, and what's known about their activities repelling Putin's 2022 invasion. Though Hind is the Mi-24's NATO codename, the Soviet nickname Crocodile arguably better evokes the large and toothy-looking armored helicopter's character. Unlike agile American Cobra and Apache attack helicopters, the larger and more unwieldy Hind was conceived by designer Mikhail Mil as a heavily armed tank-like troop transport that could fly. Thus, in addition to the Mi-24's armament, built-in machine guns or automatic cannons depending on model, and 6 hardpoints on stub wings that can carry pods stuffed full of unguided rockets, anti-tank missiles, additional guns and even bombs, the Hind has a passenger compartment that can transport 8 infantry for air assault operations. In the attack, Russia lost soldiers.